Welcome to Science-wise Educator. Parents and guardians, if you want your child to pass chemistry, physics, biology, and mathematics, always advise him or her to visit Science-wise Educator for more information. Biology. The dermis of the mammalian skin is an example of a tissue because the cells A prevent lights from passing through them, B have a similar structure and function, C prevents excessive loss of water, D are impregnated with keratin. Okay, when you look at these options, you find out that the epidermis of the mammalian skin consists of 3 layers, which is honey or conifer layer, granular layer, and mampifan layer. And this honey or conifer layer contain a pigment known as what? Keratin, that helps in waterproofing nature of the skin, flexibility. When you look at the albinos, they lack melanin, and you look at the people that are not albinos, they can prevent intensity of light from passing through them. So it's the work of that melanin. That means the epidermis of the mammalian skin is an example, is good option. Remember, emphasis on these particular questions lies on the tissue. So B option have a similar structure and function. So when you look at the organization of life, when we talk about the cell form a tissue form organ, and organ form a system. So they have a similar structure and function. Let's look at some of C first before we conclude. Prevent excessive loss of water. When you look at the epidermis of the mammalian skin, they can prevent excessive loss of water, maybe during the cold. Then D are impregnated with keratin, fine, because the honey or conifer layer contain keratin, mampifan layer also contain keratin. But since the emphasis is laid on the tissue, so the correct answer to this question is B. Have a similar structure and function. Which of the following statements is correct about organs? A. They are composed of specialized cells. B. They perform a certain overall function. C. They are not found in plants. D. Unicellular animals have few organs. So when you look at this, we are looking at the statement that is correct about what? Organs. So A, they are composed of specialized cells. So if something is composed of specialized cells, like amoeba, paramecium, euglena, volvos, you find out that they are not up to organs. Option B, they perform a certain overall function. Okay, organs perform a certain overall function, but let's look at option C before we conclude. They are not found in plants. Organs are found in plants because we have so many organs in plants. We have roots is an organ. We have stem is an organ. We have leaf, we have flower, we have fruits, we have seeds. Option D, unicellular animals have few organs. Okay, unicellular organisms, they do not have organs because they only have one cells. So the correct answer to this question is B. They perform a certain overall function.